President Pan. I am truthful, but I am not real. I was made in such loving image. I am truthful, but I am not real. Destruction is birth, and birth is destruction. And know this, the leader ordered your brother's murder.
The time will come when we will be together again, in heaven. Only then will we see each other again. Only then will we see what we are, who we are. Only then.
Episode 12, Pan's Lullaby. I dreamt my brother last night. There's no such thing as Neverland. There never was. Images spill inside my head. Is there such thing as heaven? Peter, I love you. Only in heaven will we ever be happy. Only in heaven does Neverland live on.
Congratulations to our president, as promised.
You will find your payment of 5 sacks of black beans,
2 dozen apples,
a laptop with all the latest games,
designer clothes,
15 loaves of bread,
a 6 caliber pistol for your protection,
10 bags of sugar,
a complete box of expired antibiotics,
9 bottles of red wine,
2 bottles of strong liquor,
20 cabbages,
2 boxes of blueberries,
and a jar of Peter Pan peanut butter.
There is no such thing as Peter Pan.
I dreamt my parents again.
Welcome to Neverland, where everyone dreams of their parents.
What is a designer?
What does it matter?
It matters if you still dream. Do you still dream, Pan?
I dreamt my parents last night.
Everyone dreams of their parents, Pan.
Why wait for something that'll never happen?
Why so dubious?
I can't stay in Neverland again.
Why surrender?
Only in heaven will we ever be happy. Only in heaven does Neverland live on. Only in heaven can we be. Only in heaven will we be together. Only in heaven, only in heaven.
Peter Pan,
Peter Pickle Pan.
Pretty perfect Pan.
The time will come.
When we are together again.
in heaven.
Only then will we see each other again.
Only then will we see.
See what we are.
What went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong?
I will design a solution.
A solution to a perfect society.
Of society.
Will you follow the leader?
I can't.
Will you follow the leader?
I can't.
Follow the leader.
I can't.
What are you waiting for, President Pan?
Waiting for what?
Waiting for when?
You won't follow yet you don't lead. You won't follow yet you don't lead.
Show me a perfect world. There's no such dream.
The time has come for you to hand over Neverland.
What will happen when I do?
Our job is not to decide on its vision. Our job is merely to design our leader's orders. Are you that leader, then?
Are you?
God?
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 I have nothing to fight with.
Lead us.
Protect us.
Save us.
Pen, please don't be afraid of them. Please, for the sake of Neverland, please don't give in. We need you. We need you as our leader. We believe you and we trust you. Please don't make us regret that, Pen.